Are you tired of spending countless hours sweeping and vacuuming your home? Enter the world of robot vacuums, your new cleaning companions that promise to simplify your life. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best robot vacuums on the market, highlighting their innovative features, efficiency, and how they can transform your cleaning routine. With advances in technology turning these devices into intelligent home helpers, staying ahead in the clutter-free game has never been easier. Watch on to discover which robot vacuum could be the perfect addition to your household. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at yourpicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Roborock Q Revo. Meet the Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum and Mop, your ultimate cleaning partner. This powerhouse proves why it's the best in the robot vacuum market today. Say goodbye to dirty work thanks to its multifunctional dock. With auto mop washing and hot air drying, you no longer need to worry about unpleasant odors after each cleaning. Enjoy a 5-liter water tank that keeps the robot running smoothly for up to 4,305 square feet of mopping. Self-emptying eliminates the hassle of constant emptying for weeks at a time. Witness incredible cleaning with dual-spinning mops. Operating at 200 RPM, this feature tackles tough stains effortlessly. You'll appreciate the 30 adjustable water flow levels, allowing you to customize cleaning according to your floor types. Experience the convenience of auto mop lifting. This function seamlessly lifts mops when cleaning carpets and while returning to the dock. No mixed messes occur, ensuring your floors and carpets stay spotless. 5,500 pascals. Extreme suction adds to the power of the Q Revo. It works effectively on all surfaces, capturing dust and dirt with ease. The all-rubber brush adapts well, removing pet hair without tangles, a feature pet owners will love. Reactive tech obstacle avoidance enhances your cleanup experience. With PreciSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping, you get precise navigation and customized cleaning. While this robot excels, its large dock might require more space than smaller models. However, it's a small trade-off for capabilities like these. Roborock Q Revo not only impresses with its innovative features, but also makes cleaning an effortless task. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Explore the future of clean. Number 4. Shark AI Ultra. Say goodbye to dust bunnies and pet hair with the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum. This sleek machine brings amazing power to your home, making cleaning a breeze. Incredible suction tackles dirt and debris on both carpets and hard floors. It easily picks up even the toughest messes, leaving your surfaces spotless. With Matrix Clean technology, it navigates in a precise grid. That means no spots get missed, ensuring a thorough clean every time. You'll love the self-emptying base. This bagless system holds up to 60 days of debris. Forget about buying disposal bags. It eliminates that extra cost. The self-cleaning brush roll excels at removing hair and dirt, so you won't need to constantly deal with tangles. Precision Home Mapping offers 360-degree LiDAR vision. This feature enables the vacuum to avoid obstacles effortlessly, adapting to changes in your home any time of day. It truly feels like a personal assistant. For pet owners, this vacuum is absolute gold. Powerful suction combined with Shark's engineering makes it perfect for capturing stubborn pet hair. Hands-free control through voice commands connects seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Scheduling cleanings becomes a simple task. On the downside, it does take some time to map your home completely. However, this is a small price to pay for the superior cleaning experience it offers. You'll appreciate this vacuum's blend of modern technology and efficiency. With its impressive features, it truly stands out against similar models. Explore the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum and enjoy a cleaner home with ease. Number 3. Roborock S8. Meet the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum and Sonic Mop, your new cleaning companion that takes home maintenance to a whole new level. With impressive 10,000 pascal suction, this smart device tackles dirt and debris effortlessly, making it stand out in a crowded market. Its all-in-one dock steals the spotlight. You'll love how it empties itself while washing and drying your mop. No more tedious chores. This setup ensures your floors stay spotless while allowing you to focus on other things. Thanks to intelligent dirt detection, your robot cleans as needed, rewashing mops when necessary and detecting dirt with uncanny accuracy. Corner-to-edge cleaning is smooth sailing. The FlexiArm design side brush reaches almost every nook and cranny. It captures hidden dirt, making sure you don't miss that pesky debris lurking by the walls. This precision brings an added level of cleanliness that other models simply can't replicate. When it comes to mopping, you'll appreciate the Vibrorise 3.0 sonic mopping system. This powerhouse scrubs stubborn stains vigorously with high-speed vibrations. It raises up to 20 millimeters to avoid damaging carpets while effortlessly combining vacuuming and mopping. On the flip side, the learning curve can feel steep at first, especially when programming its advanced features. However, this initial effort pays rich dividends later on. After extensive testing, the roborock S8 MaxV Ultra truly stands out in performance and convenience. Don't miss out on transforming your cleaning routine. Explore this cutting-edge solution today. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. Dreame L30 Ultra. Meet the Dreame L30 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a game-changer in home cleaning. After extensive testing, it's clear why this model stands out. First off, its stunning 7,300 Pascal suction power ensures no dust bunnies stand a chance. You'll notice a difference on every surface, whether it's hardwood or carpet. With ultrasonic carpet recognition, this vacuum adjusts to your rugs, effortlessly rejuvenating them with ease. Mop Extend technology takes cleaning up a notch. It combines an advanced duo scrub mopping system with a hot 136 degrees Fahrenheit self-cleaning feature. This technology leaves your floors sparkling while the built-in water tanks make refill hassle-free. Imagine walking on the cleanest floors without lifting a finger. Maintenance remains a breeze. The 3.2-liter dust bag holds up to 75 days of debris, saving you from daily emptying. Dual Boost 2.0 means you can spend more time enjoying your clean home and less time cleaning up after your vacuum. Moreover, AI action and the 3D navigation technology ensure smooth navigation around your home. This robot identifies up to 55 objects, like cords and shoes, and guides around them seamlessly. Cleaning happens even in dim lighting due to its built-in LED, making it perfect for any room. One minor downside? It might seem slightly bulky for tight spaces, but that doesn't take away from its excellent cleaning prowess. What truly impresses are its features that offer deep cleaning without constant attention. The L30 Ultra elevates your cleaning game, allowing for more cherished moments at home. Check it out and see how it can change your cleaning routine for the better. Number 1. ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S. Meet cleaning's new best friend, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. This all-in-one powerhouse redefines effortless cleaning, making it a must-have for busy households. What sets the DEEBOT T30S apart? First, its 11,000 Pascal suction power effortlessly tackles dirt and debris on carpets and hard floors. You'll notice a significant difference in cleanliness without needing to lift a finger. Integrated zero-tangle technology also means less time spent detangling hair and debris. This feature is a game-changer for pet owners and anyone tired of maintenance hassles. Edge cleaning becomes a breeze thanks to TrueEdge adaptive edge mopping. 1mm accuracy ensures that corners get thoroughly cleaned so nothing escapes the robot's reach. Advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance through TrueDetect 3 D3.0 means you won't need to worry about your furniture. Its intelligent design navigates around obstacles with ease. Effortless control options offer convenience. Use voice commands or even your Apple Watch to initiate cleaning with minimal effort. This versatility is perfect for those who want control at their fingertips. Despite its many highlights, one minor shortcoming stood out during testing. Sometimes hot water mop washing requires manual filling. However, considering the extensive features, it's a small trade-off for overall functionality. What I love most about this device is its combination of powerful performance and smart design. After extensive use, the DEEBOT T30S consistently impressed me and set a new standard in cleaning. If convenience and powerful suction are what you seek, explore this remarkable robot further. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.